Hello and welcome to day 331, Becoming Peace, Meditation and Inspiration. The name of today's session is What's Inside of Your Cup? What are you carrying in your cup? The answer to this question and more is what we're going to focus on today. Being aware of what you carry in your cup is even more important. So let's move inside and begin. Your life is a vessel. What do you choose to hold inside of your vessel? Let's get ready to quiet the mind, relax the body, and rejuvenate the soul. Find your special meditation spot and sit comfortably. You can close your eyes when you're ready, and we are going to center and focus in on the breath. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. This week, we're going to review Yahweh breathing. Yahweh is a sacred, holy name, and anciently wasn't even uttered due to the holy nature of this name. It is the name of God, a form of the Hebrew name of God used in the Bible. The name came to be regarded by Jewish people in approximately 300 BC as too sacred to be spoken. And did you realize that every time we utter a breath, our breath is infused naturally by Yahweh, without us even being conscious that we're doing so? Today, let's practice breathing with the intent to breathe Jesus into our lungs, and as we exhale, moving him through us as we exhale. Let's try it. Breathe in. Exhale. Again, breathe in. And one more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Imagine every cell of your body being infused with light as you continue to breathe. Whatever is inside the cup is what will spill out. Therefore, when life comes along and shakes you, which it will happen, whatever is inside you will come out. It's easy to fake it until you get rattled. So we have to ask ourselves, what's in my cup? When life gets tough, what spills over? Joy, gratitude, peace and humility, or anger, complaining, cuss words, bitterness, victim mentality, or quitting tendencies. Life provides the cup. You choose how to fill the cup. Today, let's work towards filling our cups with gratitude, forgiveness, joy, words of affirmation, resilience and positivity, and kindness, gentleness, and love for others. Your life is a vessel. It's a holding space, a cup of sorts carved out of your life experiences. The way you process your world and what you think about is all inside of your cup. What is your cup filled with right now? If the cup spilled over and all of the contents came rushing out, would you wish you were outside on the concrete where you could quickly whisk away the mess with the hose? Or would flowers and baby's breath spill out all over the rim of your cup? The real deal here is, until I came to record this meditation, I really never thought of all this in terms of what I'm cultivating is what spills out of me. I can see how true this concept really is, and it makes me want to pay extra close attention what I'm cultivating inside of my soul. Because when life gets tough and we're squeezed to death by pressures of life and forces that we can't anticipate, I really would like to know that what comes out of me is faith, perspective, patience, and hope. What about you? What do you want to spill out of your cup when the pressure is on? I'm going to mind the time until you hear that soft bell. Let's come back. Take a deep breath in and out. And come back to this room, back to the present, and write down what plans your soul orchestrated during your meditation today. Peace comes when I take time to carefully cultivate on purpose virtues. May your cup be overflowing with love, goodness, patience, and goodwill toward others. Thank you for joining me, and remember to embrace lots of light today. Light in your thoughts, in your food, in what you allow your eyes to see, what you smell. Light in what you think about and what you allow into your heart. Because remember, when life squeezes you, what you cultivate is what spills out. Bye for now.